Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So I'm at Marshall's. I'm going to see what kind of makeup finds I can find. So I see lots of palettes. They have this Sparkling Pineapple palette by Too Faced. They have this Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo. I think Too Faced has the cutest makeup. I love that they're at Marshall's and TJ Maxx now. So they also have this Raspberry Razzle Dazzle palette by Too Faced. Looks like they have so much Too Faced. Another blush duo. They have this Icon palette and some brushes. It looks like a complete mess, kind of, but I think their makeup section always is kind of messy. So I guess that's kind of like why it's makeup finds, because you never know what you're going to find. And then sometimes you'll find like the package without anything in it. One time I bought a makeup palette, and when I was at checkout, the girl was like, "Did you open it and check it out?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she was like, "Good," because sometimes people just buy it and they get it home and all the makeup's like crumbled inside. So that's kind of like a Marshall's hack for you, that before you buy your makeup, you need to make sure it's actually in the box. I've been seeing this Brazil, Take Me Back to Brazil palette a lot. It has a lot of bright colors. It's super pretty, but it's not really practical for your average woman, because we like the neutral shades. We don't wear the bright colors that much, so, but it's cute, maybe a cute one to have in your collection. So thanks so much for shopping with me at Marshall's to see what kind of makeup we could find. I'm also going to have a Marshall's perfume video out. It could be out or it might be coming out. And I think I did a Marshall's shoe shopping video too. So subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.